Namaskar. Many people feel that their digestion needs some improvement. For better digestion, two ingredients which are available in our own kitchen should be used. These are cumin seed called as jeera and fennel seed or saunf. Today I am going to tell you how jeera and saunf water can really benefit you and understand how to prepare also. Firstly, let us see the science behind it. Our common jeera seeds are rich in essential oil and vitamins like A, E, and C. Besides these, they also contain compounds like thymol and cuminaldehyde. These compounds can stop the growth of microbes and can reduce inflammation in the body. Soft seeds, on the other hand, are abundant in fiber, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C. They also contain volatile oil like anethole, which helps you with digestion. Now, let's prepare jeera and saunf water. There are two methods. In one method, you boil the seed, and in another method, you simply soak them overnight. Understand how to use, how much to use. In first method, take 1 teaspoonful of jeera, 1 teaspoonful of saunf, and 2 cups of water. Start by boiling the water, then add the seeds and then reduce the heat. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the water into a cup. You can consume this water warm or at a room temperature. For the soaking method, again, take same quantity of seeds and water. Simply wash and soak the seed overnight in water. This will allow the nutrients and flavor to infuse into the water. In the morning, strain out the seeds and drink the infused water. You can have jeera and saunf water on an empty stomach in the morning. This may give best results. Drink 1 cup of this water and wait for 30 minutes to have your breakfast. This water will have a calming effect on your stomach and intestine. This miracle water can keep your gut strong and healthy. In today's time, your gut is exposed to lots of toxins because of all the additives in food and junk food. Consuming this water can keep your digestive system healthy always. A stronger gut means a stronger mind. It can also boost your immune system. It gives the body the ability to fight the infection and inflammation. But don't have too much, because excessive intake of jeera and saunf water can cause side effects like acidity, a heartburn, or even allergy in some people. In Ayurveda, jeera and saunf water is known to balance your doshas and promote good health. When it comes to taking care of our digestive health, there are some more suggestions which I would like to give. Choose foods which are easy to digest, like fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables. Take a little dahi, yogurt. Drink buttermilk while having your lunch. Do some moderate exercise in a day. Anything which you like to do. Yogasans, sports, playing with your family. But mildest and best exercise would be walking. At least take a slow, leisurely walk after lunch and dinner. Keep your body well hydrated and well rested to benefit all the systems in your body. Because when your body is happy, your mind is happier. Namaskar.